Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath flanking him from one side, and Lallu Singh, who is the BJP candidate from Ayodhya, on the other side. But these dancers that you see on your television screens, there are 40 such stages that have been set up, 40 blocks, and you have a Sindhi dance, you have a Punjabi dance, you have dancers from different parts of the country to show how Lord Ram unites our entire country in one bond. From a Ramban in Kashmir to a Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu, you have Ram, perhaps thousands of villages and towns across the length and breadth of our country named after Maryada Purushottam Shri Ram. It's an aspect that many do not remember over centuries of invasions in our country, how Lord Ram united everyone. The Prime Minister, Nabila, as you see in these images, actually reaching out to people, and these are people who are not just from Ayodhya but devotees who've come from across the length and breadth of our country. Kumar Abhishek, Nabila, has just sent us this report. Let's quickly listen in for a moment.
आप लोगों ने देखा?
हमने गाड़ी में देखे हैं, उनकी टोपी और मुंह दिखाया हमें। बस
क्या दर्शन हुए? अयोध्या कैसी लगी आप लोग?
अयोध्या तो बहुत अच्छी है, बहुत अच्छी है, बहुत अच्छी है।
मंदिर के दर्शन कैसे हुए?
बहुत अच्छे, बहुत अच्छे।
कहते हैं अयोध्या का मंदिर नया बना है, तो अब कैसा है? पहले आप लोग आए?
बहुत अच्छा बना है, बहुत अच्छा बना है।
कहाँ से आई हो? उत्तर प्रदेश से आई हो?
मिर्जापुर से आए हैं।
तो बहुत सारे लोग हैं, हम कई लोगों से हम बात करेंगे। अंजना, जिस तरीके से यहाँ पर आप देखें, इस वक्त यहाँ से तो प्रधानमंत्री का काफिला गुजर गया है, लेकिन लोग जो हैं वो जरूर इस आज के रोड शो को देखने के लिए घंटों तक खड़े रहे। कहाँ से आए आप लोग?
उड़ीसा से। हाँ,
रोड शो देखा?
देख लिया।
बहुत अच्छा लगा। मोदी जी को देख के दिल गार्डन गार्डन हो गया। जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम।
अयोध्या नगरी कैसी लगी? शहर कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा लगा। आज तो हम आए हैं। जय जगन्नाथ, जय जगन्नाथ।
तो आप लोग रुक गए थे इस रोड शो देखने के लिए?
हाँ, देखे मोदी जी को देखे, योगी जी को भी देखे।
योगी दिखे?
हाँ, दिखे दिखे।
तो अंजना देखिए, चारों तरफ जितने भी युवा हैं, लोग हैं, वो सब इस रोड शो के लिए रुके थे। और आज का ये रोड शो इसलिए भी खास कहा जा सकता है क्योंकि यहाँ से अवध शुरू होता है।
अवधपुरी यहीं से शुरू होती है, as Kumar Abhishek was just telling us. And these are dance performances from different parts of our country. What's significant in these images, Nabila, is the fact that these are devotees who've come from across the length and breadth of our country. Some phases may already have polled, many phases, 5 more phases to go in different parts of the country. And for these devotees, that signal, that messaging that after 500 years, Lord Ram Temple has finally been built. That message goes across, Nabila.
Certainly this looks like a parade, as pompous, where we're looking at different cultures. You have Sindhis, Punjabis, even farmers, many of them dressed as part of their culture, who are aligned as part of Prime Minister Modi's roadshow. And we're seeing Modi campaigning for the BJP candidate, while he's moving through parts of Ayodhya. Also at the same time, a big statement that he's making for the upcoming third phase of Lok Sabha elections, which has a lot at stake for the Samajwadi Party. So this is flexing right in time of Lok Sabha elections, and we see that for the BJP, the Ram Mandir is really a trump card. Let me quickly cut across to Samarth, who's also joining us for more on the ground. Samarth, over to you. You have people with you. How ecstatic are they?
Well, exactly, Nabila. They are starting as the PM's road show will be arriving at the Ram Ki Padi area at the Lata Chowk any time from now, and you can clearly see some people out here wants to welcome PM Modi with these flower petals right here. They have got with them as then Prime Minister's road show will in a way move from here. They'll in a way try to welcome him. किस लिए आप लोग लाए हैं?
हम जी मोदी जी के स्वागत के लिए लेके आए हैं और काफी देर से इंतजार कर रहे हैं। आज हमने वापस जाना था, पर हमने जब पता लगा कि आज आना है प्रधानमंत्री जी ने, तो हमने एक दिन और एक्सटेंड कर दिया।
कहाँ से आए आप?
ये हम पंजाब से आए हैं
पंजाब से आए हैं
जी।
अच्छा।
और यहाँ श्री जी गेस्ट हाउस है, उसमें रुके हुए हैं।
ये क्या आपको कब पता चला कि पीएम का रोड शो है? और
हमें कल पता चला जब हम आए थे, तो फिर आज हम और एक्सटेंड कर लिया हमने।
कौन कौन है आपके साथ?
हम 4 जने आए हैं पंजाब से।
अयोध्या में बदलाव देख रहे हैं कुछ?
बहुत बदलाव है। हम दिसंबर में भी आए थे, तो उस समय से तो बहुत बदलाव है। दिन रात का फर्क है,
दिन रात का फर्क है।
बहुत फर्क।
प्रधानमंत्री को देखने की उत्सुकता है?
बहुत उत्सुकता है जी। हम काफी देर से खड़े हैं यहाँ पर,
तो स्वागत किया जाएगा।
बहुत भव्य स्वागत है जी। सब जगह पूरे रोड पे सब और राम भक्त और खड़े हैं, इंतजार कर रहे हैं प्रधानमंत्री जी का, और बड़े उत्साह है सब में, बहुत उत्साह है। मजा।
क्या सबसे अच्छा लगा अयोध्या में?
अयोध्या की डेवलपमेंट और जो स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है वही अच्छा लग रहा है, और सब लोगों में उत्साह है, और बाहर से लोग बहुत आ रहे हैं। रोज हजारों की लाखों की संख्या में लोग दर्शन करने।
मंदिर में जाकर कैसा अनुभव?
दिव्य है, दिव्य है अनुभव। और व्यवस्था इतनी अच्छी है, लोग कितने भी आ जाएं, कितनी भीड़ हो जाए, वो धक्का मुक्की वाली बात नहीं है। बड़ी व्यवस्था बड़ी अच्छी करी है, जो बात जो प्रशंसा वाली बात है।
People from Punjab have extended their plans of stay in Ayodhya and have planned to welcome PM Modi with the rose petals in their hands, and he has got a lot of people with him. Also, this view, the point from where the road show will go, this is the area of the Ram Ki Padi, that's near Lata Chowk, and that's the area from where you will see PM Modi also coming right there. That's why this entire area has been decorated, lightning all around. The police patrolling on bikes is still happening right there, and a lot of people right here. They are also waiting for PM Modi on that side of the barricade as well, as they want to just see PM Modi for a while, as they have waited for this moment along. So many of people we are meeting who are not from Ayodhya but have come from different states but have extended their plans just to witness PM Modi road show. Back to you.
And the Prime Minister has just tweeted, if I may, the Prime Minister has said, अयोध्या वासियों का हृदय भी प्रभु श्री राम जैसा विशाल है। रोड शो में आशीर्वाद देने आई जनता जनार्दन का अभिनंदन. So while this is a 2-kilometer long road show from Sugriv Kila to the Lata Chowk or the Veena Chowk, look at the speed. It's almost just 1 or 2 kilometers per hour, the speed with which the Prime Minister's cavalcade or that Rath is moving forward. And that's also because there are people on either side, Nabila, who want to see Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and he's also, in a way, while talking to his to the people on either side, greeting them, pointing out to them, acknowledging their greetings.
And undoubtedly, it's a poll-bound state also. Remember that, Gaurav. Of course, it is what the people that we see there are coming there for sheer love for the Prime Minister, one, and of course to take a darshan from Ram Mandir, Ram Lala's
And
darshan.
we see a change. We see a change. You know, all these ladies with that saffron pagdi that they are wearing, they come close to the Prime Minister's cavalcade, and now they're walking in front of the Prime Minister's cavalcade. These are all, as Samarth was also telling us, a big group has come from Maharashtra, and this group is, and this is Nari Shakti, again something that Prime Minister has been referring to. This is that Divya Tilak, if I may, the lighting, and you know, as Maitri Sharan Gupta had described, this is how beautiful Saket Nagri looks today. Dekh lo Saket Nagri hai yahi, swarg se milne gagan ko ja rahi Nabila.
Look at the festivities there. I'm really enjoying seeing women dancing. You know, for them, this is nothing short of a festival. Well, Prime Minister Modi pulls off a roadshow. He does it with much fervor, and the colors, the energy, the spirits, they are quite high. And to happen in Ayodhya, right, you know, aligned with the Ram Mandir, as it acts as a backdrop there, what could be more soulful for a lot of believers?